Well, here we are for the next instalment. Quite overdue, I think some of you will agree. It's been very busy to sort of fit this project in amongst other things I've been doing, and also find somebody else to stand and hold the camera because everybody's been quite busy. So that's why there's been a gap in the videos for this project. But as you can see, the 1931 swallow-bodied Wolseley Hornet has made some good progress. Now I've got it to a particular stage because it's going to go back to its owner to have all the mechanicals built into it. So this is only a partial stage. So you can see that some of the beading has been affixed, but there's more beading to fit to the bulkhead, which then runs through the bonnet. Until we've fitted the engine gearbox and radiator shell, which is a bit of an unknown because we're going to move it forward to fit a modern electric fan that will make the bonnet and the sides longer. So we don't really want to, can't really make the bonnet and can't really fit the beading to it until that is known. But here we go, it's now all panelled up, it's oxyacetylene welded together, the welds have been filed off, sanded off, such things like that. If you now look, you can see the proper full curvature of the back end of the car. It's made in many pieces, welded together, planished and filed off. The original body was in such a poor condition that it didn't really provide too many reference points, so I've had to work from photographs of other similar vehicles as well. The next stage for me is I'm on with the mudguards. So we made a jig, an accurate jig, and now the mudguards have been wheeled up, top flange have been turned over, and that they will then be welded together and they will get wide edges. Another unknown is the front ones have valances that go from the mudguard down to the chassis. Once again, until the engine is fitted, bonnet in place, that's another task I can't do. So I've gone as far as I can with it at the moment, and it really needs to go back to the owner so he can now continue with his mechanical rebuild and build it all into it. Once all that's done, very last stage of course will be to paint it, so that's possibly a few months down the line. These cars are quite rare. They didn't build many to begin with. It was the standard Wolseley Hornet sports chassis, but with Swallow Coach Building's body on the top. And I think, as we previously said, Swallow Coach Building, well, it was Swallow Sidecars, then Swallow Coach Building, then became Jaguar Cars. In fact, it became SS Cars first, and due to the unfortunate choice of name after the war, was then changed by Bill Lyons to Jaguar Cars. These cars featured about a 1200cc engine, 6-cylinder overhead cam. That's in 1931. So Wolseley weren't a small insignificant company. They were actually making very fast, powerful cars, faster than the MGs of the day as well. So it was like a Riley Sports equivalent. Riley and Wolseley were performance sports companies. And there we have it. Hopefully the next film we'll see the car with its bonnets and radiator shell on, and possibly even trial fit of the wings. Okay, see you later. Bye.